From the Millersville University Weather Center, this is student meteorologist Nico Omridis
Becky Porterfield
and Ian Borgel
here with a short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, December 9th, 2024. Well, as we take a look outside, we've got some dreary conditions. We also have some much-needed rain.
Yeah, and those rain showers that we've seen this morning are really going to help out with the drought that we've really had over the region for an extended period of time.
Absolutely.
Taking a look now at the daily climatology, today we'll have a high of 48 degrees with a normal high of around 44 degrees, and we set a record high of 67, which was in 1966. This morning we had a low of 33 degrees, which is a little warmer than our average low of 27 degrees, and we set a record low of 5 degrees in 1989. Taking a look now at the sky cam, this is off of the John Wright restaurant, looking off of the Susquehanna River. Again, you can just see those dreary clouds set in place, and with those clouds that we've seen move over into the region, we've seen some light to moderate showers in your morning commute.
All right, and taking a look at the visible satellite, you can see we have those thick clouds centered over our region, which have been promoting those dreary conditions and that rain that entered our region earlier this morning. And then taking a look at the radar, you can see that disturbance centered right over our region, bringing that rain into the region, and we should be looking at total rainfall amounts between 1/10 of an inch and 3/10 of an inch as we go into this evening.
Moving on to taking a look at our models. This is the European model for 7 p.m. today. You should see that disturbance up to our northeast, so it's moving out of the area, but we should still see the cloudy conditions persist with a couple showers potentially. As we move into Tuesday, you should see a fog going over at the nighttime and into Tuesday morning. And taking a look at Tuesday's model for 1 p.m., you should see a little break in the storms as a low goes over the region. Towards our southwest, you should see that disturbance, and as we move into Wednesday at 1 p.m., you should see that disturbance strengthen rapidly into a strong, substantial storm system that will be moving northeast. It should bring periods of moderate to heavy rain, as well as a couple thunderstorms. This should cause potentially flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas, with an anticipated rainfall rate of 1 to 3 inches across the region. And as we should also see on Wednesday that the high temperatures will be in the morning, as in the afternoon the temperatures will be decreasing.
Okay, and then taking a look at the short-term forecast from the Weather Center. See tonight, mainly cloudy and mild with areas of fog late, low of 42 degrees. Tuesday, mostly cloudy and mild with patchy fog early, high of 54 degrees. Then Wednesday, cloudy and warm with periods of rain, some heavy at times, high of 58 degrees. Well, that'll do it for this week's short-term forecast. Tune back in tomorrow for the latest edition. Until then, pack an umbrella and be careful out there on those roads. Despite this much-needed rain, roads will be slick, and watch out for some ponding as well.